Our portrait forecast view looks pretty good now. The next code you're going to grab will transform the landscape tablet view from this into this. Let's go over how we accomplish this change. First of all, you can see that we've added a linear layout for the app bar, which has the correct elevation and blue primary color background. Next, we see the toolbar, rendered with the correct themes. This is a bit interesting. We want to align the sunshine logo with the forecast day. Rather than hard coding the calculated value, we use nested frame layouts to perform it. This is a tiny bit expensive, but it makes it easy to create responsive layouts. Finally, we look into how we position the detail view. This is a nice trick for creating two even columns in a relative layout. Create a center strut view that has no width or height, and ask relative layout to center the view. We can then create the forecast fragment view to the left of this strut view, and the detail fragment to the right of the center strut view. Note that we have to make sure that the layout elevation at least matches the app bar, otherwise the detail fragment would be occluded by the app bar rather than overlapping it. And that's it. It's actually a relatively simple relative layout given how complex it looks. Let's take a quick look on where the portrait tablet layout stands. Yikes, it's worse than before. We can fix it! Here are our red lines for what we want the portrait layout to look like. Wow, these overlapping red lines are a bit confusing. We can bring the app bar forward to analyze it. So, our app bar will be made in three sections. The top section is our toolbar, with a height of action bar size. The middle section is our image, with a height of list preferred item height. And the bottom section is our spacer view, with a height of details app bar overlap, which we've just added for you. We use our standard 16 dp of padding around the details fragment. And for our details fragment, we're actually going to use wrap contents.